अरे अरे ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ வேண்டாம் வேண்டாம் ஏன்னா அந்த எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்றதும் மியூசிக்.
Hello everyone, good evening and welcome back to the online classes of Taekwondo E-Pathshala, that is ACEP, Athlete Coaching and Education Program, conducted by Sports Authority of India, hosted by Sai Bangalore. उम्मीद है सभी बच्चे पूरे जोश के साथ आज के इस ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम में हिस्सा लेने के लिए बेताब होंगे। क्या आप तैयार हैं? Are you ready? Very good, very nice. I can see so many faces enthusiastically waiting for the training to start. बच्चों, आज के जो हमारे प्रशिक्षक हैं, मैं उनके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहूंगा। आज के जो हमारे प्रशिक्षक हैं उनका नाम है, पहले जो आने वाले हैं सबसे पहले उनका नाम है श्री कार्तिकेय। He is a Taekwondo coach of Sports Authority of India, passed his diploma way back, almost 10-12 years back, and he is serving for Sports Authority of India quite for a long time. वो हमारा पहला पार्ट लेगा, किकिंग के एक्सरसाइजेस का पहला पार्ट, और जो दूसरे इंस्ट्रक्टर हैं, he is Mr. Mari Garbak, presently posted in Sai Naharlagun, who was the diploma student of 2006-2007 batch and who has passed his diploma with the highest marks, being the topper of the batch. So आपके सामने ये दोनों talented instructors आने वाले हैं और आपको आज के टॉपिक के बारे में ट्रेनिंग देने वाले हैं. So children, as we all know, we have already switched over from grassroots level to developmental level. But let me tell you, the developmental level is the application of whatever you have learned in the grassroots level. तो आपको जो पहले आधे घंटे तक बताया जाएगा, whatever you are going to learn in the first half, the same thing will be taught in the second half in its applied manner. यानी कि आप पहले भाग में, आज के सेशन के पहले भाग में आप सीखने वाले हैं the basic exercises of Taekwondo kicks. Say for example, when you write something in a good handwriting, you got to know how to hold the pen, how to place your hand on the book, and then write. So like that, the alphabetical manner of kicking. So first part will be taken by Mr. Karthikeyan, that is the basic exercises, associative exercises of the kicking techniques, some selected kicks, and those kicks will be performed in the second half along with Shri Mari Karma in different variations. So be ready to take part in Taekwondo's basic kicking skill session with Shri Karthikeyan and Shri Mari Karma. So calling first Shri Karthikeyan to please take over. Mr. Karthikeyan, Taekwondo coach from Sai Salem. Handing over to you, Mr. Karthikeyan.
Good evening, all of you. Good evening, all children. I can see so many children with enthusiastic face. We will start with bowing for our masters. Chariot, Shingri. Good evening once again. As master explained, we are going to learn specific kicks like Apchagi, Murochagi, Dolechagi, and Yopchagi. These 4 kicks is very important for basic kicking. In that, we are going to see each kicks 2 exercise, one standing, one another sitting. That sitting exercise, there is no need of support, but the standing exercise, you need support like a wall or chairs. We will tell you later. We will start first stretching for our main part. Okay, everybody, show me your thumb. Everyone. Yes, very good. We'll go. Start. Relax your body. Rotate your arms slowly. Reverse. Very good. Everybody starting. So happy, yeah. Side swing. Slowly. Yes. Okay. Up and down. Very good. Like that. Yes. Yes. Slowly. Spine stretch. Neck upward press. Down. Yes. Good. On your right. On your right. Yeah. Everybody can join. Yes. Change other side. Slowly. Right hand up. Yes. Bend your elbow. Touch your spine. Here. Hold your elbow. Slowly. Pull your elbow back. Tricep stretch. Yes. Change. Other side. Very good. Hands forward. You go for deltoid stretch. Same thing. Change hand. Left hand forward. Slowly close your chest. Yes. Side bend. 1.5. Bend your left side. Yes. Very good. Everybody following me. Yeah. I can see you. Change. Other side. Very good. Relax. Now, slowly trunk rotation. Reverse. Yes. Now hip rotation. Right leg clockwise. Reverse. Yes. Kritish and Mitresh, you are doing very good. Show me your thumb. Relax. Change leg. So many people doing together in your training hall, at your home, along with your brothers, sisters. So many students doing with your parents. Yes, very good, Savas. Now bend your knee. Press your right shoulder inside. Right shoulder. Yes. Change. Relax. Up. Catch your both ankles. Hamstring stretch. Down. Up. Abdomen stretch. Push your hip forward. Yes. Very good. Now turn your right. Adductor stretch. Gently, don't press more. Gently, as much as you can. Change the side. Slowly. Slowly, yeah. Now heel up. Same side. Heel up. Yes. Change other side. Heel up. Watch my heel. Yeah. Heel up. Relax. Yeah. Gluteus stretch. Catch your knee. Slowly close your chest. Everybody. Yes. Very good. Now forward. Relax. Quadricep stretch. Slowly. Relax. Very good. Once again, other leg, gluteus stretch. Forward. IT band stretch. Yes. Quadricep stretch. Very good. Now calf stretch. One step forward. Both the toes facing straight. Yeah. Slowly bend your knee forward. Calf stretch. Change. Other leg. Very good. Yes. Ankle rotation. Clockwise. Reverse. Change leg. Clockwise rotation. Anti-clockwise. Everybody can join together. Yes. Yeah. Relax. 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 Now we'll go to main part. Main part. Slowly. Slowly. Sit on the floor. First we'll go for sitting exercise for Apchagi. Apchagi we are using for Pumse. Maximum Pumses we are doing Apchagi. Pumse type kicking we will do now. Okay. All of you sit down on the floor. Hands back. We'll go for Apchagi. Keep in your mind Apchagi. Yes. Push your hip up. Bridge position. Yes. Yeah, I'll do this way. Yeah, relax, just relax. Turn the side. Yeah, from here, be there. Hip up. From here, we'll go for Apchagi. Use your toe here, right? First, we'll go for keep pushing upward. 1. Relax. Again. 2. Relax. 3. Keep push upward. Make a bridge position. Relax. The kids can go only 2-3 times. 2-3 times. That is enough for the grassroots level. But elite athletes can go regular more than 5 or 8 counts. There is no problem. For beginners, go only minimum 5 counts or less than that. That is enough. Okay. Now we'll go for kicking. Keep up. Slowly raise your leg up. Up. Down. Again. Up. Down. Relax. Left leg. Up. Down. Toe. Bend your knee. Up. Relax. In this, we are taking our hip raising position. We have to keep our butt pushing upward. That is very important. In this exercise, we are doing the same. Now, slowly get up, everyone. Now, only 30 seconds water break. In that water break, what you are going to do? Bring one chair. For support, standing workout, you bring one chair like this. Yeah? Okay, just go for water break and bring one chair. If there is no chair, no issues, imagine there is a wall. Imagine there is a wall. Otherwise, go with your partners. There is so many players on the training hall practicing. You have a partners. So use your partners and do the same. Now go for water break. 30 seconds rest, water break. Now I am back. Everybody came? Yes. Pushpanath. Pushpanath, yeah, showing me your thumb along with your sister. Yes, very good. Very good. Everybody joining me. Yes, very good. Now standing with the support of chair. Now what we have to do is holding the chair, same thing, feet apart, keep your legs up to your shoulder width or hip level gap. Catch the chair. Hold the chair. Raise your leg. Yes, everybody knows. Yes, very good. Slowly, somebody don't know? Yeah, okay. Raise your leg up. 1, 2, straight. Bend, down. Okay, we'll go slowly, one by one count. 1, 2, straight, 3, and 4. Okay, once again, ready, right leg, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Come here. Yes. Start. The correction here, 1, up, 2, 3, 4. How much you are raising your knee? How much you are raising your knee up? 1, now raise your knee up maximum. Raising your knee up maximum. 2, straight. 3, slowly bend. 4, down. Relax. Change other leg. That side. Yes. Other leg. Left leg. Only 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Use your ball foot. Yeah, use your ball foot here. Straight. Okay. Again. 1, 2, up, little up. 3, 4. In this, we are checking your knee high action. How much you are raising your knee. Now, keep the chair side. We'll go for next workout for Murochagi. Okay, we will go for Murochagi. Murochagi, first sitting. This is a long seat position. Sit once again. Slowly. Yes. Like that. Open your leg slowly. Hands back. Example here. Hands back. Long sitting position. From here, Murochagi. First, close your knee towards your chest. We did gluteus stretch like that. Close your knee towards your chest first. Here, 1. Push with the whole soul. 2. Murochagi. Murochagi, M-I-R-O. Murochagi. Close. Relax. Okay. This basic is very, very important for everyone. If you learn this properly, then only you can deliver your kick with a good balance. Okay. Ready. Ready, everyone ready? Okay. Once again. Fine. Start. 1. Keep your toe up. Push straight. 2. And come back. 4. Down. With the left leg, everyone go with the left leg. Left leg knee high. 1. Keep your soul straight. 2. Push straight. 3. Bend back. 4. Down. Once again, we'll go. Last count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Be there. I'll correct. This side. Come here. Down. Here, how much you are raising your knee? 1. From here. If you raise your knee more, 2, your kick will be more higher. Okay, understand? Then slowly bend your knee down. From here, raise your leg up. Raise your leg up. Push. You have to push the target. You have to push the target. Bend. Again down. Once again, on my count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Relax. Left leg. Same thing. Go. 1, 2. Push. Straight. Push. Yeah. 3 and 4. Relax. Last count. 1. Everybody. 2. Good. 3 and 4. Relax. Get up. This is for Murochagi. Next one we'll go for holding the chair. The same Murochagi with the chair support. Hold everyone. Using the chair here on the side. Now the same thing. Now we are going again knee high. Hands on your hip. Here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Before that kick, what we did is we used ball of foot, ball of the foot. That is for Apchagi. This whole sole we are using. Toe, heel, everything we are using. That is called Mirochagi, pushing the opponent. Mirochagi means pushing kick. Okay. Now, same thing. 1, starting point. 2, finishing point. 3, back. 4, down. Same thing. Ready? 1. Yes, very good. 2, kick. 3, yes, everybody using with wall. 4, down. Very nice. Change leg. Change other side. Left leg. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Suresh, yes, both sisters. Suresh sisters, they are using, yes, very good. With the support of wall. Yeah. Last count once again with the left leg. 1, 2, slowly up little. 3 and 4. Okay, relax. One more time. Yeah, one more time. Show me a thumb. If you want one more time, show me a thumb. Yes, very good. Kritish, who is showing the hands? Yes, I think your father. Yes, very good, very good. All the parents are supporting. Very nice. Yes, okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Relax. Okay. Okay. Show me once again. Yeah, Venba. Yeah, very good. I can see you. Venba, small girl. Show me your thumb. Very good. Yes, yes, fine. Show me 1, everybody. 2, 3. Yes. 4. Meghna, you're doing nice with outdoor. Meghna. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Sabas, very good. Yes, we'll go next with the Yopchagi. We'll go next Yopchagi. This is bit different floor exercise. Each exercise we are going, each kick we are doing 2 exercises, one on floor, one with support. Now we are going for Yopchagi. Now we are telling us cut kick. In the competition, we are telling cut kick. In Pumse also, Yopchagi. Now, standing Yopchagi. Example, we are holding the wall. If you hold the wall here, both hands on the wall. Before that, 2 sisters did with one hand support the side of the wall. You may misbalance here. What you have to do is both hands on the wall, elbow straight. Very important. Elbow straight. Your gap. Come here. Hands forward. Elbow should be straight. Imagine this is the wall. Imagine this is the wall. Just look at me. Don't do anything. From here, you have to raise your knee in between your chest. In between your hands. Okay. In between your hands, you have to raise your knee up. Raise. 1. Up. 2. Down. For leg up. 1. 2. Down. Again. 1. 2. Okay. First. Relax. Relax everyone. Now start everybody. Hands with your partner or wall. Be there. Yes. Yes. Very good. Okay. From here, raise your right leg up. Then turn your foot. Very important. Turn your foot and kick. Back, down. Relax. The key point here, one thing. Yes, Karan, Sai Salam, you are doing. Yes, very good, very good. Hands forward. Hands forward. Bend your knee. Turn your heel. Foot turn, very important for Yopchagi and Dolechagi. For Yopchagi and Dolechagi, foot turn. But for Mirochagi and Apchagi, there is no foot turn. This is, you have to keep it in your mind, very, very important. From the beginning, you have to keep your heel, concentrate on your heel For Apchagi and Murochagi, there is no foot turn. Heel will turn only for Dolechagi and Yogchagi. Okay, keep it in mind. Once again, ready? Support. Good. 1, 2, foot turn. 3, back, and 4. Example on the wall, I'll show you. Don't mistake me here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Okay, once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Important. Knee high, hip inside. Push your hip in. Very important. Push your hip in. Okay. Start. You start. Ready? Come closer. Now start. 1, up. 2, hip push inside. Hip push inside. 3, 4. Relax. Once again. 1. Everybody continue. 2. Yeah, very good. 3. Janani. 4. Janani and Durga. Winner Taekwondo. Very good. Sabas. Once again. Same side. Left leg. Now we'll go for left leg. Ready? Straight. Elbow straight. Raise your knee up. 1. Some more. 2. Turn your hip and push in. 3. Knee high. 4. Down. Once again. 1. Up. 2. Launch. 3. 4. Down. Relax. Relax. Once again on my count. See first knee high 1. Everybody first knee high 1. Yes, very good. 2. Finishing point. Finishing position. 3. Come back. 4. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Okay, okay, okay. Relax, relax. Now we'll go for Dolya Chagi. Dolya Chagi, you have to concentrate for maximum points. Very important. I'll show you first. Before that, I forget. For Yogchagi, floor exercise we have to do. Before that, Yogchagi, flooring exercise is balance. Huh? Okay. Just lay on the ground, but sideways. No. Okay. From here, I can see you. See on the line, you have to keep shoulder, yes, shoulder, hip and knee all together in the same line. You have to keep in the same line. Push your hip in. Okay. Yes, I can see you. Bit. Raise your leg up. Slowly close your chest. Knee, close your chest. Hands here. Keep your hands near the chest. From here, 1. Straight. Okay. Turn your foot. Knee should be down. Knee down. Ankle up. You can bend. You may feel the pain on your hip, but it's a right technique. You have to learn the right technique only. Yes. From here again, 1. This position. Knee close. 2. Straight. 3. Back. 4. Relax. 4. Relax. Once again, I'm repeating. Hands here. Push your hip in. Very important. Push your hip in. Make like arch. Make like a bow. The body should be like a bow. Should be in the straight line. Push your hip in. Hands on the floor. Here. Bend your knee. 1. 2. Bit height enough. Turn your toe. 3 and 4. Relax. Yes. Very good. When you feel pain here, everybody show me your thumb. If you feel pain here, show me your thumb. Yeah, so many people showing. Very good. It means you are doing perfect. Yes. Now left side. No, don't get up. Be there. Don't get up. Be there. Yeah. Left side. Correction. You will see the corrections. Yes. Very good. Elbow. Yes. See. Elbow on the ground. Elbow on the ground. Elbow should be on the ground. Don't lay down. Yeah. Hands near your chest on the floor, elbow bend. Now, shoulder, hip and knee on the line. Now, first, count number 1, bend your knee. Yeah, very good. Keep your toe closer. Yes. 2, finishing point. You are not complete the kick. Finishing point. Yeah, close. 3, bend, close your chest. 4, down. Relax. This is recovery period. Okay, this is recovery. Recovery pace. Okay, ready. Again, 1, close. 2, take off. Launching. 3, close. 4, down. Very good. Very good. Aradhya, once again you came. You're doing well. Good. Yes, yes, very good. Yes. Slowly, second time. We'll go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. See, don't show your toe up. Don't show your toe up. Who is that Redmi? You are doing wrong. Yeah. Nair, Rajat, okay. Turn your knee bit down. Turn your knee bit down. Rajat, yes. Yes, bit down. Yes. Now open. Open. Good. Little turn. Little turn. Turn your foot little. Yeah. Okay. Bend. 4. Sorry, 3. Then 4. Down. Relax. Okay. Get up. Get up. Very good. Everybody. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes. Everybody tired? No. Okay. Good. Very good. Say Sabash. Encourage yourself. Very good. Now we'll go for Dole Chagi. Very important. As I said, we'll go. We will score more points in Dole Chagi only. From the beginners, elite athlete, everybody is scoring more points in Dole Chagi. Maximum points there. Easily they are trying. Okay, fine. In the Dole Chagi, now standing exercise will go first. Similar with the Yop Chagi. Dole Chagi is similar with Yop Chagi, but 1 or 2 point is different. You have to rotate your leg. In the Yop Chagi, closing our knee to our chest and launching the kick and coming back. But in Dole Chagi, we are not closing our knee towards the chest. Who is that? Yeah. Yes, very good. Now, same thing, hands forward. For Dole Chagi, what we have to do is, before for Yop Chagi, what we did, first raising knee and foot turn. Here, what we have to do, first count itself, we have to foot turn. 1 and 2. Watch. First listen. First listen. Everyone listen first. सभी आप देखना चाहिए, उसका बाद करना. अभी मत करना, आप देखिए पहला. Okay. अभी 1, 2. Sorry. 1 and 2. Okay. I hope everybody following me. Again. 1, 2. 1, 2. Start everyone. Now we can start now. Now we can start with the support of wall or holding the chair. You can do holding with the chair. Start everybody from here. Directly foot turn and hip push inside. 1. Down. 2. Okay. Slowly, slowly. Don't be hurry. When you bring your chairs, slowly. Rupam Sharma. Yeah. You brought chair. Very good. Slowly. Do slowly. Yes. Along with your partner. Keep a chair here. Ready? 1. Dole Chagi. 2. Down. Again. 1. 2. 1. 2. Now we launch our kick. Finishing position. Now we'll go for finishing position. Slowly. Ready? From here. 1, 2, 3, sorry, 3 and 4. Okay, once again, 1, hip in, yeah. 2, 3, back, and 4. This is standing exercise. Keep in your mind, we have a flooring exercise that is specific for Dole Chagi. Okay, here you have to raise your knee up, push your hip in, turn your foot. The shoulder, hip, and ankle should be on the line. You have to concentrate. Okay, don't bend too much. Try to be straight. Keep in your mind once again. 1, everybody. 2, slowly. 3 and 4. Very good. Now Sounder, he'll show you. Yes. Okay. Come forward little. Yeah. Now here, 1, foot turn, feet back. 2, 3, 4, down. Adit, keep your feet straight. Adit, yeah, Adit, keep your feet straight. Okay. 1, up. 2, 3, and 4. Relax. Veera, yes. Start. Yeah. Samyutam, very good. You are doing nice with the wall support. Very good. Just to do once again. 1, 2, very good. 3 and 4. Change side. Change other side. Ready? Now. Good. 1, bit up. 2, very good. 3 and 4. Relax. Everybody, yeah, relax. Last one time. Ready? Okay. Yes. 1, up. Good. Foot turn, hip push inside. 2. Yeah. 3 and 4. Relax. Very good. Shabash. Well done, all of you. Yes, relax. And we'll keep your chest aside. Now we'll go for sitting exercise. Okay. Yeah. Before that, we'll go for water break. Just 1 minute. We'll go for 1 minute. Water break. 1 minute. Okay, I'm ready. Yeah. बच्चा लोग सभी सुनो इधर. Very good. So many kids today, they wear uniform and practicing. Yeah, well done. But others try to wear uniform and follow the instructions and stay tuned. After this, there is so many exciting kicks you can see. Mari sir will teach you. Yeah, Venba, you are using small chair. Venba, show me your thumb. Yes, very good. Yeah, very good. Yes, clap. Yes, very good. Fine. Venba, you are doing good. Yes, okay. Now we'll go for Dole Chagi on the floor. Exercise on the floor. First, listen, everybody. slowly. Lay down like Yopchagi, sidewise. Place your hands on the floor, elbow on the floor. Okay. Hands right. Here, shoulder, hip, and knee. Same line. But what we have to concentrate for Dolechagi is knee down, your foot up. If you keep your knee up, your kick will not go for proper kick. You have to turn your knee down. So many players, beginners especially, now I'm watching you, they are using your knee like that. No, you should not go like that. Bend your knee down to up. Now rotate your leg in the circular motion. Rotate your leg, rotate your foot like a circular motion. Dolechagi. Okay. But slowly here it's basic. Slowly you go from here. 1, 2. Relax. Again. 1, 2. Relax. In the floor exercise, what you have to do is the circular motion you have to do. Then only you can kick, complete kick. Ready? 1, 2. Back. 1, 2. Back. Relax. Now, just watch. Sundar, come. Yeah. Slowly. I will check each and every one. Regina. Yes. Regina STC. Very good. Yes. From here. Bend your one knee. That leg. Bend. Yeah. Okay. From here. Dolechagi. Up. 1, 2. Rotate. Circular motion. Yeah. Circular motion. You have to turn your foot. Yes. This way. When it touches, he is turning like that. You have to turn your hip inward. Yes. Relax. Hamida. Yes. Very good. Hamida. Very good. Good. You are watching me. Hamida. Yeah. Good. Yes. But slowly, slowly. Don't be hurry. Okay. Very nice. Up. 1, 2. Touch. Slowly. Yes. Relax. Relax. Down. Again. Change other side. Slowly, slowly, bend. Very important, push hip inside. Push hip inside. You have to push your hip in. Otherwise, the kick will not be with power. If you keep your hip in and kicking, it's not taekwondo kicking. Yes, ready? 1, bend maximum. How you are pulling the bow like that, you have to pull maximum. Then slowly, 2. Slowly. Why? Because we are just learning, not delivering the kick. Yeah, slowly. Yeah, back, back. Ready? Once again. Yes. Who is starting now? Shubham. Shubham. Yeah. Very good. You are following me. Yes. Very good. Sabas. Well done. Well done. Now start. 1. Again. 2. Relax. Circular motion, turn your foot. 1, again 2. Last count. Once again. 1, 2. Okay, relax, relax. Everybody tired. Relax. Get up. Get up. You can feel the pain here. You can feel the effect here, near your hip region. Here, your hip region. Yeah, Envy Aditya. Envy Aditya. Yeah, show me your thumb. You are getting up. Yeah, I'm watching you. Yes, very good. Slowly. Rotate your hip. Yes. Reverse. Relax. Clockwise. Hip. Reverse. Yes. Yeah. Change leg. Rotation. Reverse. Relax. Relax. We'll go for revision now. What we learned today. what we learned today is, from the beginning I'm coming. First we did Apchagi. One is on the floor, like bridge position. Keep in your mind. For that I'm telling you once again. Bridge position, pushing hip upward. Then raise your knee, kick up. One. We did there. Next, with the support of chair. With the support of chair, we did, yes, very good. Here, here, one, back. Next, Murochagi. For Murochagi, what we did? Long sitting position. Yes, yes. Long sitting position. Is it like that? From here, knee close your chest and pushing in front of you. Then coming back, relax. Again, the same thing with the other leg, pushing. Close your knee should go close your chest and pushing opposite side and coming back. This is called Murochagi. Now for Yopchagi, floor exercise, what we did is, here like Murochagi, we close our knee towards the chest, but this is wrong. What we did, what we have to do, the straight line we have to lay, hands here, keep in, close your chest, push sideways. Yopchagi, from here 1 and 2. Okay, next, for standing, what we did, wall, holding the wall, elbow straight. First raise your knee in between your hands. Okay, raise your knee in between your hands. Don't hit with chair. You have to stand behind the hands. Yeah. Okay. Minimum 2 feet gap. 2 feet. Okay. From here, raise your leg. Yes. Very good. 1 down. Okay. First stage. 1 and down. Next. 1 and hip turn. Then 2. Back. Down. Okay. Here again. 1, 2 foot turn, 3, 4, down. Relax. Next, last kick, Dolyochagi. Do you remember that? Yes, same thing. Laying on the ground. Laying on the ground. Here, hands, legs back, shoulder, hip and knee, all three in the same line. Hands on the floor. From here back, circular motion I told. Circular motion I told. You have to keep your knee down, foot up, hit, then come back. This is for Dolyochagi, first drill. Second one, the same thing. Wall exercise, standing in front of the wall. From here, same thing. Direct turn, direct foot turn with the hip in. 1. Okay. Yes, fine. Very good. Yes. Yes. Very good. Dikshana. Yes. Yes, very good, Dikshana. Very good. Yes. From here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once again, I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, back, and 4. Last time, 1, yes, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. Sabas. 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 All 4 kicks, 2 exercise for 1 kick, total 8 exercise you learned today. For the basic kick, basic exercise. Very good. Everybody did well. On this occasion, I want to thank our Sai DG, Sri Sandeep Pradhan sir and Sanjay Saraswat sir, RD Lucknow region. Our Dr. G. Kishore sir, Director LNCP region. My master and coach, Mr. Gautam Singh Vritti sir, Sai Bangalore, and Mr. Balagopal sir, LNCP Kerala region. Thank you sir once again. We'll finish our class now. After that, Our Mari sir will go for next half. Now only 30 seconds water break. You can go and come fast. Before that, everybody chariot. Everyone. Kingri. Thank you, sir. Everybody clap. Go for water break now. Ready for next session. Thank you.
Sir, for your wonderful session. Okay, children.
Thank you, madam.
So you all are ready for the second part of today's training. Okay, before going to the second part, everyone come near the camera and please be ready. I want to ask some questions. Who all had a pain in the side here? Raise your hands. Who all had a pain when you were doing the kicking movements? Very good. If you have a pain when you were doing the kicking movements, that means your muscles are getting strong. If your muscles are strong, then your kicking will be very good. You can drag, hold, snap, everything will be good. So these trainings will help you to make your kicking good. These muscles are good, means your kicking movement will be good. All are understanding? If yes, please show me your thumb. Very good. So this side part, if I say it is also called as quadrilateral lumborum in scientific terminology, but in a simple way, these are the side muscles. If these muscles are strong, then your movement will be good. Okay. Now next part, you are going to have a session with Mary sir. You will have the session in which you will apply the skills which you have learned in the first part. So over to Mary sir. Thank you.
गुड इवनिंग चिल्ड्रेंस। आई होप आप सब हमारे ट्रेनिंग सेशंस को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। माई सेल्फ मारी गरबा, टाइकोंडो कोच, स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया फ्रॉम अरुणाचल प्रदेश। जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, हमारे टाइकोंडो इज नोन फॉर इट्स वेरिएशंस ऑफ किकिंग्स। काफ़ी सारे किक्स हैं हमारे गेम में। तो आज हम कुछ किक्स के ड्रिल्स को करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग डोलोचे की ड्रिल्स को करेंगे। तो पहले आप लोग देख लीजिए, फिर हम साथ में करेंगे। ओके, सो एवरीबॉडी गिव मी अ थंब। थैंक यू। ओके, पहले बच्चों देख लीजिए, फिर करते हैं। तो पहले हम फाइटिंग स्टांस करेंगे। यहाँ से हम बैक लेग, जो हमारा रियर लेग है, वहाँ से हम लोग नी हाई करेंगे। ओके, सो आप लोग देख लीजिए। विल गो फॉर 3, आप लोग उसको बाद में आप नंबर्स भी इंक्रीज करेंगे। ओके, यहाँ से 1 2 3 and change, then again 1 2 3 stop। ओके, सो अब हम इसे ड्रिल्स में करेंगे विद ओके, अब हम शुरू करेंगे नी हाई ड्रिल। वन लेग विल गो फॉर 10 टाइम्स। ओके, एंड 10 टाइम्स। ओके, एवरीबॉडी रेडी? सो नेक्स्ट हम लोग करेंगे अल्टरनेट लेग्स। अभी हमने किए हैं 1 लेग, अब हम करेंगे दोनों लेग से। ठीक है, सो सेम स्टांस यहाँ पे, और यहाँ से फिर स्टार्ट कीजिए 1 2 3 4 5। ओके, नाउ इसे हम लोग विल डू इट फॉर 20 टाइम्स, 10 राइट एंड 10 लेफ्ट। Okay, so everybody to me. Okay, ready to me. Yeah. Sit up. 1 2 3 4 5 ठीक है, और हमारा जो नी है इट शुड बी इनसाइड नॉट हियर आउटसाइड। तो अगर हम टर्न करेंगे देन वी कैन किक नाइसली। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट we'll go some side steps and knee high, okay, with some targets. Okay, first हम लोग एक चुंबी पोजीशन में रहेंगे। ओके, तो यहां से हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे राइट साइड राइट लेग अप, लेफ्ट साइड लेफ्ट लेग अप। ओके, इन दोनों चलिए। ओके, सो विल स्टार्ट। रेडी? आप लोग देख लीजिए फिर करेंगे। ओके, यहां से 1 2 3 4 5 6 then to me. Okay, we'll do it 10 times. Continue. Right side right leg, left side left leg. Okay, okay, ready? To me. राइट साइड जाएंगे राइट लेग देन लेफ्ट लेग, लेफ्ट साइड जाएंगे लेफ्ट लेग देन राइट लेग। ओके, सो जस्ट वॉच नाउ। रेडी? देखिए 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2। ओके, सो आप लोगों को ये करने हैं वन साइड जाके डबल लेगा, वन साइड जाके अल्टरनेट, दोनों पैर one by one. Okay? Okay, ready to be? Sit up. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 8 9 10. Okay. Are you exhausted? थक गए आप लोग? ओके, अब हम छोटे से 30 सेकंड्स के वाटर ब्रेक लेंगे, then we'll come back. ओके? वेलकम बैक बच्चों। तो सेशंस को आगे बढ़ाते हुए हम लोग अभी अगले ड्रिल्स पे चलते हैं। नेक्स्ट ड्रिल्स जो है वो थोड़ा फुटवर्क्स के साथ है। ओके, सेम ड्रिल नी हाई दोनों चलिए। ओके, सो फर्स्ट देख लीजिए। ओके, सेम फाइटिंग स्टांस। यहां से हम क्या करेंगे? स्किप फॉरवर्ड देन नी हाई, देन विल गो 2 टाइम्स बैक 1 2। ओके, सो इसे हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे 1 2 change again 1 2। ओके, अब हम इसे थोड़े किकिंग के साथ करेंगे। ओके, एवरीबॉडी रेडी? स्टेप्स के साथ चलेंगे हम लोग। प्लस अब हम गए सिर्फ आगे जाके किकिंग किए, अब हम करेंगे जब पीछे आके भी हम लोग सेम फ्रंट लेग डबल चेकिंग। ओके सेम। अब देखिए यहाँ से चुनी, यहाँ से 1 1, अब हम बैक 2, फिर 2 1 2 चेंज 1 1 2 2 1 2। ओके सो सेम हम लोग इसे 10 साइड राइट 10 साइड लेफ्ट करेंगे। ओके रेडी टू बी ready to be quick right down ready start 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 okay change okay leg change ready start 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 okay relax। अभी अगला ड्रिल जो है हमारा थर्ड ड्रिल कॉम्बिनेशंस पे है, ठीक है, जिससे आपका कोऑर्डिनेशन एबिलिटी भी बढ़ जाएगा। ठीक है, अगर आप ये सब मूवमेंट्स करेंगे तो फिर आपके लिए काफी अच्छा है, जो आप इसे अपने गेम पे उतारेंगे। तो कीप कंटिन्यू प्रैक्टिसिंग। ओके सो लेट्स थर्ड ड्रिल जो है हमारा सेम फ्रंट स्किन देन फ्रंट लेग डबल चेकिंग। ओके फिर बैक लेग से डबल चेकिंग करेंगे, फिर हम लोग थोड़ा सा काउंटर आके फिर डबल चेकिंग। ओके सो फर्स्ट स्टार्ट विथ टू बी सेम स्किन फॉरवर्ड डबल चेकिंग बैक डबल चेकिंग 1 ओके नाउ 2 1 2 3 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 ओके सो इसे हम 10 टाइम्स करेंगे विद काउंट 1 काउंट पे आपको ये तीनों किक करना है। ओके विद मूवमेंट रेडी ऑलरेडी ready to be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 okay very good boys very good children। अब हम फिर से छोटा सा ब्रेक लेंगे, वाटर ब्रेक। आफ्टर दैट विल जॉइन अगेन। रेडी ओके वेलकम बैक बच्चों। अब हम कुछ फेस कीपिंग ड्रिल्स करेंगे। ओके तो जैसे आप सबको पता है कि हमारे गेम में मैक्सिमम पॉइंट्स हमारे फेस कीपिंग से आते हैं। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ फर्स्ट सेम फाइटिंग स्टांस पे रहकर हम लोग डबल चेकिंग करेंगे उसके बाद we'll jump and we'll do the second kick high. 2, up, then back, then again. 1, 2, face, down, 1, 2, down. Okay, we'll do the same thing from opposite side. Okay, 1, forward, kick, back, 1, forward, kick, back. Okay, we'll do it for 10 times from right side and 10 times from left side. Okay, everyone ready? Okay, ready to play? सभी बच्चे कर रहे हैं? Very nice. Okay, now second drills we'll do with same type का है. Okay, first we'll start same. The bachagi, then hold, then jump and narachi. जिसे हम X भी कहते हैं. यहाँ से 1, then 2, back, 1 and 2, back. Same, अब हम साइड स्विच करेंगे. Same, 1 jump, 2 back, 1 jump, 2. Okay, now we'll do in target. अब हम इसे पेट पे मार के दिखाएंगे. Okay, everybody get up. Ready? Okay, हम मेन इसके जो एग्जीक्यूशन ड्रिल्स है उसे हम करेंगे. ओके, विल गो फॉर बकचगी एंड अनचगी, 2 कीज. ओके, जिसे हम लोग चॉप किक भी कहते हैं, इन टू आउट, आउट टू इन. ओके, सो फर्स्ट विल गो फ्रॉम स्टेपिंग फ्रॉम हियर, विल गो 1 स्टेप फॉरवर्ड एंड विल गो into out. ओके, यहां से हम फ्रंट किक करेंगे, into out, then back, same. ओके, 1 1 2 back, 2 1 2 back. ओके, we'll change, then go 1 2 back, 1 2 back. ओके, we'll go same, one leg 10 times and one leg 10 times. ओके, ready? Ready, Jimmy? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, let's change. Ready? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. Very good, बच्चों. Okay, now next drill, same steps. Okay. अब हम अपना जो steps है उसे change करेंगे. अब हम गए थे 1 step and बकचगी. Now we'll go slide step and बकचगी. यहाँ से हम जाएंगे forward 1, then again front leg kick, then back again 1 1 2 back 2 1 2 back, then change 1 1 2 back 2 1 2 back. Okay, now same इसे भी हम left side right, left side left करेंगे. Okay. Okay, ready? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 3, 4, 5. Okay, same leg back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, same leg outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, leg change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now side. Outward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, left leg forward. Now knee touch. We'll go for hamstring stretch. Left leg forward, everybody. Okay, down. Knee touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, leg change. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now forward lunges. Everybody, heel up. Keep your heels upward. Ready? 1, 2, knees straight. 3, 4, 5. Okay, now turn. Heels on the ground. Now press forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now erector stretch. Now sit down. Easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now side change. Heels up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, heels on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now erector stretch. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now groin stretch. Okay, now press from outside. From your elbow, push outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now hip rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, arm rotation forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now cross your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That's all for today. I hope you all like it. Okay. Keep practicing. Chare. Everybody, attention. Chare. Chale. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Marisa, for a wonderful session. So, well, children, all are tired. Who all are tired? Hands up. Oh, very good. So, let's give you all a break. Physical break, but mental. You have to be more alert now. It's a quiz time. Who all are ready for quiz time? Who all are ready for quiz time? Oh, very good. Okay, so quiz time. Friday's question was, how many steps counts are there in Purusave Ekuk Sikjan? And answer was 19 steps. So the winners, first 5 winners, Saisha Arora, Rubab Sharma, Yashvi, Sanjana Samantha. I congratulate all So Rupam Sharma and Shubham Samanta, I think you all are second time or third time winners. Very good. You all are participating with enthusiasm. Very good. Today's question is, how many points do you get for turning kick to the head? Again, I repeat, how many points do you get for a turning kick to the head? Turning kick head को मारने से कितना point आता है? And your options are 2 points, 3 points, 4 points, 5 points, and everyone get ready. Go! Keep going, keep going, keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Well, children, you all have played very well today. We'll meet tomorrow evening, same time at 5 o'clock. So everyone get ready. Keep your spirits high. Be honest. Train hard so that you win many medals. So everyone go back for the formal break.